Hello everyone, I want to tell you about what I'm doing for this month of November free card kit in the mail. There are some new products that Stampin' Up! Released, and you're going to have two different options with your free card kit this month. So let me first start by showing you the new products. So let me put my little cheat sheet aside here. There is the Curvy, the Quite Curvy stamp set. It's a photopolymer stamp set. There's 12 images, and they all have these like curved verses or curved decorative pieces on there. So this stamp set, the Quite Curvy stamp set, coordinates with the curvy dies. And so you can kind of see this die here is what cuts out the leaves, or you've got the birds. Then there's these trim pieces that are really pretty, and you'll see how those work on the cards that I'm going to show you. So this is what you can get together. It's only available right now as a bundle. So it's called the Quite Curvy Bundle. It's $41.25. It's available right now as like an early release, but it will also be available in our next mini catalog that comes out January through June of 2021. So you'll see this again and see more ideas with it in the upcoming catalog, but this is an early release that's available this month. So this can be bundled together for $41.25. Then there are two other products that are exclusive to this promotional time, so you won't see these in an upcoming catalog. This one is called Curvy Christmas, and obviously it's a Christmas stamp set with the trees and stars, some Christmas greetings, lots of little pieces in this one, also photopolymer. And then we have the classic Christmas 6x6 designer paper. So you've got cherry cobbler, shaded spruce, and Sahara sand. And the package comes with 48 sheets. So you're going to have 4 of each of the sheets that I'm going to show you. So all the same pattern in each color. And then on the back, there's another. Here's the next one. And these polka dots, of course, you can use well beyond Christmas. Same thing here with these stripes and the plaid. So some of them lend themselves to Christmas a little bit, but then lots of them can be used any time of year as well. So like I said, 48 sheets of the classic Christmas, and this is 6x6 designer paper. So you can purchase right now this bundle, the Quite Curvy bundle, or this Curvy Christmas individually, or this classic Christmas designer paper, or you can get the Quite Curvy variety bundle that has all 4 of these things. So 2 stamp sets, the dies that work with both stamp sets, and the 48 sheets of 6x6 designer paper, and that bundle is $70.50. So let me show you the cards that I have available for you this month, depending on which one you choose. So if you choose the Quite Curvy bundle, just this stamp set and dies, you're going to get supplies in the mail to make these 3 cards. So I'll pull them in and tell you a little bit about each of them. So this is one of the curvy dies that you see right over here. It's really fun to just add that layer, have the little dots cut out. These pieces are also dies that come in that. This is a different set of dies, but that's one that would be included in your card kit. So you're going to get the card bases, all the layers of cardstock that you need, the designer paper, the little rhinestone gems, all of that will be included. And then you also get a PDF emailed to you that's got photos and step-by-step instructions so that you know how to put the cards together. So this is card 1 for the Quite Curvy bundle. This is the next one, which was really fun to do these leaves, especially, looking outside and as the leaves have changed and look like these beautiful fall colors. So I've got Cajun Craze, crushed curry, and old olive, and then lots of, shades in between as I blended those colors together. A little bit of ribbon on the side here. And then the last one with the Quite Curvy bundle is this birthday card, which was just really a lot of fun to make. It's shimmery white. I'm trying to see I don't know if the lighting is picking up that shimmery white cardstock, but it's got a little bit of shimmer to it in person. And then I did some watercoloring on the leaves and on this border, and of course the birds, little rhinestone gem here. And then this is another one of those border dies that's a little bit more decorative than just the dots here. So a good variety. These are the 3 cards. You will get supplies in the mail, free from me, when you order the Quite Curvy bundle. That's $41.25. So the stamp set and dies, this bundle, you get supplies to do these 3 cards, as well as instructions. Now, if you choose to get that Quite Curvy variety bundle that includes not only this stamp set and die, but also the Christmas stamp set and the designer paper, you're going to get supplies to make 3 more cards. So you're going to have 6 cards total if you buy that variety bundle. So let's push these up just a little bit and bring in the Christmas cards. This one, I just love the simplicity, just the decorative dots here with the curve, just, making it look like hills of snow. And then what's interesting too, the stamp set. So this greeting has a little bit of a curve to it, but because it's photopolymer, when I attached it to the acrylic block, I could make it straighter like I did on this card. So it's nice that you can kind of manipulate the curve on some of these greetings when they're photopolymer like that, or even the borders, you could do that a little bit too. So this is the first Christmas card. I did some watercoloring on the trees and then the sky background and the little rhinestone gem. And then there's this piece where I did the double die right here, the little curve. And so I did the metallic paper underneath high enough so that you can see it shine through on those dots right there. I think you can see that through both of those. And then added the star, some ribbon, and of course the designer paper that comes in that classic Christmas designer paper pack. And then this one is just a lot of layers. So I use that dotted curve repeatedly, some on plain cardstock, lots on designer paper. Added my greeting, stamped some of the stars in the background on the Sahara sand. And then down here, excuse me, you'll notice it has a little bit of shimmer to it. So that bow is one of the images here in the Curvy Christmas stamp set. And what I did is I stamped it on some of the polka dot Sahara sand designer paper, and then I added some glue from our fine tip glue pen. So I just gently put a thin layer of glue across the whole bow, which gives it that raised, a little bit raised, glossy look to it. And it's even more noticeable in person. And then I added a rhinestone right to the center of that one. Okay, so I'd love to hear which of these cards you're liking the best. I love this designer paper, which makes me really love this one. But I feel like there's something about each of them that I really like. So, quick recap. Quite Curvy bundle, which is just the first stamp set and dies, are going to get you supplies to do these 3. If you do the variety bundle that includes the Curvy Christmas and designer paper, you're going to get supplies to do all 6. So if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. I will put some information about the supplies that I use so you know what ink pads I use to do some of this watercoloring and everything that you need to know, including an ordering link, so that you can get that order during the month of November and I can get this card kit out to you in the mail. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great night.